Now, a crisis in Corbett Tiger Reserve in Uttarakhand as 3 tigers have been found dead in just a week. It's suspected they could have been poisoned by poachers or even by villagers. And with 2 of their bodies being found in the forest bordering the park, there's an urgent need to increase patrolling to areas beyond the tiger reserve. This is where young tigers go out to. Corbett Tiger Reserve, one of the most celebrated tiger parks in the country, now in crisis. 3 tigers have been found dead in just a week in the park and adjoining areas. What's more curious is that all the bodies were found after several days of the death in a very decaying condition. This raises questions over the quality of patrolling in the park.
अगर कोई बाघ मर जाता है तो उसको रिकवर हो जाना चाहिए 1-2 दिन में, और इनके तो हालात ये थे कोई 7-8 दिन, कोई 10 दिन तक पुराने थे, जिससे कि उसके कोई विसरा नहीं लिया जा सका, क्योंकि सारे विसरा ऑर्गन प्यूट्रीफाइड हो गए थे। विसरा ऑर्गन नहीं होने के कारण उनकी मरने का कारण पता करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा।
Corbett has over 227 big cats, and while the park area is well patrolled with crores being spent, the adjoining forests of Ramnagar and the Terai Forest Division don't come under the park's authorities. A problem when more and more tigers are moving to these areas in search of territory.
We have to ensure that tigers are safe in CTR, then we have to provide same sort of training, same sort of financial allocations and equipments to the territorial forest divisions as well.
There are fears that the tigers could have been poisoned by poachers or even villagers in the buffer areas who are wary over sharing space with tigers. Members of the National Tiger Conservation Authority have rushed to Corbett.
Not only the responsibility of Corbett Tiger Reserve or the territorial division, but it's a joint responsibility. So what we have decided is that effort should also be joint. So jointly we have started searching and combing the area, and right now what we have also asked to NTCA is that if the more money would be released for the areas outside PA, it would be much better.
Even though all decks were cleared 2 years ago for the formation of a special tiger protection force, it's yet to become a reality. But with 10 tiger deaths just this year, the urgent need is to protect tigers who move beyond the park boundaries. With Dinesh Mansera and Corbett Tiger Reserve, Gargi Rawat for NDTV.